Hola, mi gente, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a very special video. I've been asked to do this video, so I finally have it. Today we are going to do the battle of the solid glue gels. This one is by Vettsy and this one's by Aprés. This is their Novice Extend Gel, and we're going to go head to head. Also, I will be showing you this beautiful color, which is perfect for the fall. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. Okay, so I will be using the Natural Almond Short by Aprés Gel X. So here's the thing. The first thing you want to do obviously is, prep the nail tips and prep your natural nails with the primer and the dehydrator. And after you do that, you want to start applying the nails. Here is where the things got interesting, okay? So I took my Extend Gel. This is the one by Aprés. And then I'm going to take the tip, okay? I'm going to scoop out the gel and apply it on the nail. According to the Aprés website and how I've done it before, you scoop out the gel and then you're going to drop it on your nail from the bottom, okay, from the very tip, and then you're going to push up, okay? So just like that, you're just going to push up. Everything was going great, okay? I applied all 5 fingers on all 5 fingers, all 5 nail tips on my nails, but then I realized something was off. Something wasn't really like meshing well, and I read a comment where somebody left on my channel saying, hey, if you're having issues with the Extend Gel, well, with the solid glue, go ahead and do a slip layer of gel and then apply the solid glue. In my mind, I'm like, well, that's extra work. They're advertising this solid glue as, a one-step, hey, just apply it on the nails and you're good to go. But I'm going to show you how they literally just popped off my nails within this video. You guys, and literally you can see in this video how I'm easily popping the nails off. You should not be able to do that. And that's where I remember the comment that somebody left me. I will put her on the screen where she's like, hey, put a slip layer of the gel on your natural nails and then apply the solid glue. So thank you so much for that tip. The funny thing is when Vettsy dropped their solid glue gel, I didn't have to do that. That gel worked perfectly fine. So with Aprés, I'm not really sure if the formula is different, but anyways, here I'm just redoing the whole hand, and I'm taking my Gel X Prep and I'm going to etch out the inside of the nail, and I'm going to take right here the Extend Gel, which is the regular gel. But before that, you're going to prime and dehydrate the nail. Once you prime and dehydrate the nail, you're going to add the slip layer. And a slip layer, all it is a very thin layer of gel on the natural nail. And then you're going to cure it for about 10 to 12 seconds. You just want to make sure it's not too dry, but it's not too wet, okay? And then I'm just going to put that to the side, and I'm going to put it under the lamp for about 10 seconds just to freeze it in place. And by the way, this lamp, I got it from Amazon. I link it down below. I think it's about $12 to $15, and I love her. She's super convenient. Once I do that, I'm going to grab the Extend Gel, the solid Extend Gel, okay, which is Novice. And then I'm going to scoop out the gel. Okay, and you can also scoop it out with a spatula or like a toothpick. And then I'm going to drop it and I'm going to slide it up the nail. Here I realized I put too much gel, so with this you don't have to really put a lot of gel. This is a learning experience as well for myself, because with the Vettsy solid gel, I didn't really have to do all this. So once you do that, you're going to clean up any excess. The cool thing about the solid glue is that you don't have to worry about holding the nail in place. So go ahead and clean it up, cure it, and then we're going to shape her into the shape that we want. Make sure it's not too big. If we have any little gels coming out from the side, make sure you clean that up. Another thing I noticed with the Aprés Extend Gel, besides the fact that you have to put a slip layer. The one with Vettsy, when I first tried it, I think like last year, I didn't have to do that, but I did notice that with these nails, they started popping off. So I went back and I did a slip layer underneath as well. And right now they're holding up very well, both of my hands, the Aprés and the Extend Gel. And here, this the beautiful color by Gel-X. This is called, I think, Dosa Reality or something like that. It's a beautiful, like, kind of reminds me of like a pumpkin spice. It put me in the mood of the fall. So yeah, make sure you guys check out this color. And I love the way this nail brush is designed. Is slanted and is very thin, so you could get all in the crevices and get a very close color. Okay, so I'm going to apply this on all 10 fingers and then of course cure it, top coat it, and that basically completes the video. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what else you want to see from me. Make sure you come back on Saturday because I'm dropping a new home series blog. I'm showing you some new items that I picked up. So make sure you subscribe, you comment, and I will see you guys in my next video. Take care.
Give me love, la 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 la. Give me love, give me.